Welcome to my crypto channel. In this video, I will introduce you to Biswap, the decentralized exchange on the Binance Smart Chain network, similar to PancakeSwap, but with much lower transaction fees. But what's really special about Biswap is that every time you swap BEP20 tokens, you get up to 90% in fee return in the form of BSW tokens. This is called transaction fee mining. Unlike other exchange platforms, Biswap returns the transaction fees to the users in the form of its native Biswap token, or BSW in short. In simple terms, when you swap two tokens on Biswap and pay a trading fee of 0.1%, then 100% of the trading fee will be immediately returned to your fee return balance in Biswap tokens. Here's an example. You exchange 1 BNB for BUSD and the fee return for that pair is 90%. During this exchange, a transaction fee of 0.1% will be charged. Once the transaction is complete, the system will immediately return the fee that you paid in the form of Biswap tokens. The number of tokens sent to your fee return balance will be equivalent to the amount of the transaction fee paid in BNB, on the condition that the percentage of fee return for that pair is 90%. It's important to keep in mind that the Biswap team allocated 30 million tokens for the trans fee mining. Once these tokens have been allocated for trans fee mining, the mechanism will be automatically disabled. Do your own research and check the white paper to see what the team is planning, so you won't be surprised when some of the rules have been changed. There are two ways to earn free tokens. You can also choose to get the Robbie Boost, which is an NFT-based boost. If you own any Robbie Robot NFTs, this may be your best option. I did not get a chance to buy Robbies at the NFT launch. There were 30,000 robots for sale and they all sold out fast at 20 Biswap tokens apiece. I don't know if there are any plans to release more Robbies, so keep an eye on the site to see what is going on. The Robbie Boost works just like the fee return. The more you swap, the more Robbie Boost you get. The Biswap token price is at 70 cents currently, and you can trade it on different exchanges, including PancakeSwap. The maximum supply is 700 million, and there's already 200 million created and 30 million tokens have been burned. If we go to DApp Radar, we have Biswap sitting in the 5th place, with PancakeSwap in 1st position. But this can change soon as people are dumping cake and getting away from PancakeSwap, looking for other alternatives. The liquidity provided to the exchange comes from liquidity providers who stake their tokens in liquidity pools. Apart from earning income from token swap transactions, you can also stake LP tokens in the farms and earn Biswap tokens. For example, if you add liquidity to a BNB BUSD pair, you will receive BNB BUSD LP tokens. In addition to getting your transaction fee rewards in free Biswap tokens, you can go to the farms and stake these LP tokens there to earn more BSW in return. There's also the launch pool where you stake your Biswap tokens to earn more tokens for free. If you are looking for an easy way to invest your Biswap tokens, without risking impermanent loss, this is the easiest way to generate a passive income. Claim your Biswap first, and then put them in the launch pool. There are more risky opportunities too, like the lottery. If you like to gamble, you can buy lottery tickets with your Biswap tokens and get rewarded with huge prizes. I personally don't like to gamble, but if this appeals to you, you can always try your luck. You can also participate in the Biswap Squid NFT World game. It's the first play to earn NFT game with a new revolutionary way of rewarding its users. All the winnings are distributed in Biswap, BNB, and other tokens. The game runs on the Binance Smart Chain, so it's compatible with Web3 wallets like MetaMask. In order to take part in the game, players are required to have a certain amount of Biswap tokens in the launch pools, thereby stimulating more users to stake Biswap. Biswap also has a unique referral program. If you invite your friends to register via your referral link, you will receive a commission every time your friend makes a swap on the exchange. Referral rewards are sent to your balance immediately and can be claimed when your friends withdraw Biswap tokens to their wallet. For example, if a friend earns 5 Biswap tokens from either the farm or the launch pool, you will receive 5% or 0.25 BSW. It's an extra way to earn passive income. All this is not financial advice, by the way. I just show you what I do and what I think will work for me. Do your own research before you invest in any crypto-related program, and don't listen to anybody else's advice. I will leave the link to the Biswap exchange in the description box below so you can read more about it and earn some free tokens while swapping tokens on the Binance Smart Chain. If you have any questions or comments about this video, please drop them below. You can also send me a private message in my Telegram if you need help with a specific problem. Don't forget to check out Drip Network. Drip is awesome. It pays out 1% interest per day and there's no time limit to join. Even if you are new, you can still sign up for Drip today, and get a 365% return on your initial investment. I have 2 Drip accounts, making me around $500 daily, and it's going up because I compound my 1% interest every day. It's absolutely amazing. Don't miss out on Drip. It's really a life-changing platform for many people. Check out the Drip video tutorials on my channel, or download my free Drip ebook guide below and let me take you step by step through the whole process of signing up and making your first deposit. If you got something from this video, please like, share, or even better, subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit the little bell icon to be notified of all the latest videos that I upload. Thanks for watching all the way to the end, and have a wonderful day.